How to change country or region on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily change country or region on your TikTok account. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. The very first thing that you want to do is go ahead and open up your TikTok application and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you're logged in, you can just go ahead and tap on the profile icon. So from here, tap on the hamburger menu at the top right and tap on settings and privacy. Now head over to account section, and once you do that, you can tap on privacy. Here you should find the location services. So if you find it there, you could have an option to change it from there. But if you don't have it, as you can see, there is no option to change your country or region from your settings. So what you're going to have to do is scroll down all the way to the support option, tap on report a problem. And then from here, you just want to select a valid reason to change your country or region. So from here, what I'm going to do is scroll down a bit until you see report a problem, and then tap on submit a report. You're going to briefly explain why you want to change region or country, and if you have some screenshot or screen recordings, you could include them as well, and TikTok will contact you. You'll just have to follow the instruction, and most probably they will allow you to change your region. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.